Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a Jeep Compass headlight bulb. First, gather your tools. You'll need a flathead screwdriver, an 8mm socket, and your new bulb, typically an H11 for low beam or 9005 for high beam. Ensure your vehicle is parked safely on a level surface with the engine off. Then, turn your steering wheel completely towards the side where you'll be working to create more space. Now, let's get to the bulb. Use your 8mm socket to remove the screws securing the wheel well liner. Once the screws are out, carefully pull back the liner to reveal the back of the headlight assembly. You might need to secure it with a bungee cord or zip ties to keep it out of your way. Look for the round plastic dust cap on the back of the headlight housing. With access gained, it's time to remove the old bulb. Rotate the dust cap counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn and pull it off. Next, rotate the old bulb counterclockwise 1/4 of a turn and carefully pull it straight out. Disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the two plastic tabs and pulling it away. Now, connect your new bulb to the electrical connector, being careful not to touch the glass with your bare hands. Almost done? Insert the new bulb into the headlight housing, aligning the grooves, and rotate it clockwise until it's securely in place. Reinstall the dust cap, turning it clockwise until it clicks. Carefully push the wheel well liner back into position and secure it with all the screws you removed earlier. Finally, turn on your Jeep Compass and test the new headlight to confirm it's working properly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.